Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, explain the concept of variable hoisting in Java. Let me answer. First of all, in Java programming, variable hoisting is not possible. If you try to do so, you are going to get a compiler error. But where exactly it is possible? In JavaScript, it is possible. Okay, but in Java, it is not possible. Before understanding that, like it is possible in JavaScript and it's not possible in Java, how and all, first understand what is meant by variable hoisting. Okay, let me explain that first. So what is variable hoisting, which is supported in JavaScript but not in Java? Okay, so what is this variable hoisting? Okay, what is this variable hoisting, which is supported in JavaScript, guys? JavaScript, where you first say console.log of x, you will say, and you will do the declaration later, like where keyword x6 or x is equal to 9. Okay, you're declaring this variable later, but you are printing that variable before. So can you do the same thing in Java, where declaration, you can hoist it to the top of the code? You're hoisting the variable declaration to the top of the code. That means you are not declaring first and then using. You are using and then declaring. It's okay in JavaScript, guys. Okay, it's okay in JavaScript where first you can use the variable and later you can declare it in the below lines. Because variable declaration is hoisted to the top of the code in JavaScript. This is what I call it as variable hoisting, or we call it as variable hoisting. But if you do the same thing in Java, it is not possible, guys. In Java, it's mandatory for you to first declare the variable and then print it out. Okay, system.out.println, and you can print it out. Okay, in Java, it is like this. Okay, if you try to do this in Java, like first you print it out and then you try to, to try to use it out and then try to declare it. This variable declaration cannot be hoisted to the top of the code in Java. Instead, Java will give you a compiler error. This is not possible in Java. This is not possible in Java, where Java will give you a compiler error, but it's possible in JavaScript. So variable hoisting is possible in JavaScript, but not in Java. Okay. So let me practically demonstrate this one so that you'll understand how variable hoisting is not possible in Java. I'll create a new class. Okay. So with main method and all. And let's say here, if I say int a is equal to 9 and a is equal to 9, and here I'll say system.out.println a, you see it will work fine without any problem. 9 will be printed. Okay. Without any problem. What if I take this to the above line? If I try to print this variable and I declare this in the next line, is it possible? You see, already Java is giving you a compiler error saying that a cannot be resolved. In Java, it is mandatory to first declare the variable before actually using it. Okay, before actually using it. But in JavaScript, it is possible to declare later. Even though you use it first, you can declare it later in the below lines, because the variable declaration will be hoisted to the top in JavaScript, but not in Java. This hoisting, variable hoisting concept of variable declaration being taken to the top of the code is not there in Java, guys. It's only possible in JavaScript. So hope, guys, you got an answer. Okay. So explain the concept of variable hoisting in Java. If you get this kind of question in the interview, you have to simply say that it's not possible in Java, and this is the concept of variable hosting, which is only possible in JavaScript. That too with a where keyword. Okay, you have to declare the variable with where keyword. And if you use another keywords like let keyword or whatever the keyword in JavaScript, it's not going to be done. But in Java, it is not at all possible. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.